The most remote planets in our solar system, Uranus and Neptune, orbit the Sun at distances respectively 19 and 30 times further than that of the Earth. Consequently, they are both frigid worlds, with mean temperatures in their atmospheric clouds of about -200 degrees Celsius -300 degrees Fahrenheit and take, respectively, 84 and 165 Earth years to orbit the Sun once. They have been visited by one spacecraft, Voyager 2, which flew past Uranus in 1986 and Neptune in 1989. Both planets have a faint ring system and are accompanied by a coterie of moons. Their deep, relatively featureless atmospheres are dominated by hydrogen and helium and surround a large core of rock and ice. Extra hydrocarbons, such as ammonia and methane, change the color of the sunlight reflected by the cloud tops to give the planets their distinctive green and blue hues. Internally generated heat stirs up some of the fastest winds in the whole solar system on Neptune, reaching speeds of up to 2,000 kilometers per hour, 1,250 miles per hour. Uranus is tipped over to rotate completely on its side. An unusual orientation probably caused by a collision with another protoplanet soon after its formation.